The Megamaster 2-burner gas grill is expertly crafted with a stainless steel exterior, offering exceptional durability and resistance to rust, making it ideal for outdoor use. This portable grill boasts a combined power of 16,000 British thermal units from its 2 burners, ensuring consistent and efficient heating for all your grilling adventures. With a spacious 199 square inches of cooking area, this grill provides ample space to prepare a variety of dishes simultaneously, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The grill's foldable legs and locking lid enhance its portability, allowing for easy transport and storage without sacrificing stability during use. Featuring a stainless steel cooking grid, the grill ensures optimal heat retention and even distribution, resulting in uniformly cooked meals every time. Designed to work with small propane tanks, this grill offers a convenient and portable option for grilling on the go, making it a reliable companion for camping and tailgating.